Impact Turtle Base C-Stand Kit in black. I'm going to unbox this. And here's the stand fully assembled. Looks really nice. I like this. It's kind of a matte black finish, so to my eye, it doesn't look like it's gonna reflect any light. It's just gonna absorb the light. This is my first all black C-stand. Usually I get it chrome, or silver. I love Impact's design for their turtle base. So this is just a pull down lock right here that undoes all of the legs. So with one lock, you can just with gravity get all the legs collapsed or open them up. And then this knob right here inserts the center column of the C-stand, and then you just tighten that down, and then it locks up and it holds very well. This isn't the kind of C-stand where a leg moves. It all locks into place and it does not move. Feet, there is a little bit of a grip material, so it's just not all metal hitting the ground. I like these knobs. They're metal. Nothing here is plastic. And I like the texture of these knobs. This is not spring-loaded. Some people like spring-loaded C-stands, but I think traditionally, if you look in the industry in Hollywood, they don't typically use spring-loaded C-stands. They're all no springs. And here is the grip head. Very nice, very nicely made. And the gobo arm. It's a pretty smooth arm here. Some arms have a little bit of serrations here to add some grip. This one, I guess it doesn't even need it. And then how you insert anything you want in here. There is some grip jaw teeth in there to really lock it down. Something annoying that I find with off-brand C-stands and film parts like that is that it gets really oily in certain spots. And this one, as far as I can tell, has no oil. So all of the joints, the screws, there's no oil, so you won't get dirty. There's no smell. I'm a big fan of Impact and their products. I might get another black C-stand after this because this just looks really cool. Okay.